Here's a 2016 Acura MDX. This is a luxury crossover that is ready to pamper both driver and passengers. Every inch of the luxurious cabin exhibits a meticulous amount of design detail. Even the second row sits higher than the front, creating a theater-style seating arrangement. For easy access to the third row, simply push a button and the second row folds and slides forward. Life is made even simpler thanks to the power tailgate, multi-view rear camera, and on-demand multi-use display, which houses just about every control you need in one convenient location.
Ward off the chills with heated seats. The Acura ELS sound system gives you a rich listening experience. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator.
Dynamic, smooth, and refined, this MDX is missing only one thing: you. Get behind the wheel today.
Pohanka Acura is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13911 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.